Hi everyone, welcome to Talk Cars. So as a continuation of the last video where I told that I'll give you a walk around of my car, I'll tell you the condition in which I got the car, all the scratches and each and every detail along with the payment that I made. So this is what I'm back today. Let's start the journey of my car. Alright guys, so this is the beauty that I got. It's a second hand car, of course from the first looks you can't say it. And so it is Hyundai Accent 2017 model and November registered. The payment, you have to stick around in the video till the end to get to know how much I made the payment and what all benefits that I got. So let's tell you the scratches which were there in the car when I brought it. So if you see here, okay, I know it's pretty difficult because it's shining as well. However, there are certain scratches here, okay. And then if I come to the front, the bonnet, yeah, here you see this is the one which was there when I bought the car. If you see here as well, yep, this is the one which was already there. Then coming to ORVMs, these are the first places in India which get scratch actually. So it was there. I wasn't surprised having a second hand car with a scratch. And if you see here, yep, there are some scratches here inside which were there previously. Same with this one as well. Yep, this is made by me recently while I was trying to overtake a guy on the cycle. He made this scratch for me. Same scratches here as well I got. There are some minor ones here as well, and this is the one. If you see, this was there in the car when I brought it. Same here as well, underbody scratches are here. And there are certain here as well, very small ones. I'm not sure if I can show you through the camera, but yep, and there's one more. There you go. Yeah. So it was pretty much almost in impeccable condition. Yep, and I forgot one more. If you see the shark fin antenna, you can see there is a problem with the paint. The paint has gone off. Yeah, these were all. I'm sorry, the vehicle is a little bit dirty. Just pardon me for that. I've become lazy to clean this. So yeah, this is my car. This is my second hand car which I got from Spinny. Yeah, you can see the tires as well, right? Of course they are not new, but they have their threads intact. Don't worry, I'm not going to do the coin test here, but just trying to show you. These are 14-inch wheels, 165. Alright, so that enough of exterior. Let's go into the interiors now, the back side, so that I can show you the entire dashboard. Yeah, so if you see, this is the dashboard, entire dashboard. It has recently been serviced, so it's pretty more clean than expected actually. Yeah, I don't think you can see, but there are certain scratches here as well, right? I think it's all those handling scratches what you make. It's the same on the other side as well. Yeah, that's the top. It's pretty much clean. There were seat covers already installed by the previous owner, whoever sold it to Spinny, so I didn't took it off. There's no point in doing that and getting a new one. So you can see this. Going to the rear seat, same. Yeah, there's a handrest as well. I don't want to open it. Yeah, there are certain scratches here as well. If you want to see, those are all handling scratches, like when people handle they scratch it. Alright guys, so that was a exterior and interior tour. Now the big question is like, what was the specification of the car and what I bought it. So the engine type of this was like 1.2 liter Kappa dual VT. So there were like after buying the car, I understood that okay, there were multiple other engine options where as well, like 3-cylinder as well as 4-cylinder. The 4-cylinder engine, which I understand is a much better one and much quieter one. So the amount that I paid was 5.25 lakhs for this second hand car. So I bought it in 2019 December, so you can understand it was a 2017 November registered model. So I bought it close to exactly 2 years from the date when it was bought first. It was used by a single owner only. And what benefits that I got is like there are all the paperworks that were done, like some form 29 to transfer the car to me, that was already done, right? They gave me the bank NOC, there's no loan pending, and everything was neat and clean. They did insurance on the day, as I told in my previous video as well, and this was included in the price. They confirmed that the vehicle is non-accidental. They even gave a paperwork for that one. They also confirmed that it is a first owner vehicle. They also confirmed that it is not a stolen vehicle. You can search it in the Vahan site or the stolen vehicle site. They also confirmed that there is no pending challan or anything like that in this car. So see, you might ask that 5.25 sounds a little more than the average price, because the new car was costing somewhere like 8 to 8.5, right? So 2 years old car, you're paying 5.25. Sure, looks like that, but if you look at the quality of the car, right, the way it has been maintained, right, they did servicing and everything, and all these stress and tensions what I was supposed to go if I bought it from a person directly from the owner, this would have come to me, but these all were taken care by Spinny. So that's the reason the kind of a price it justifies with the quality. So that's all I had to say about this car. Okay, I told you about the price, I gave you an interior and exterior, so you can decide. This will help you to decide if you have to go for a second hand car, and what exactly what is the condition of the car that you should go for if you're going for a 2 years old or 3 years old. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much, and you take very good care of yourself.